Okay, so this video is called Kaylin Has the Hiccups. Oop, like clockwork. Oop. Oh. I know. That's no good.